Welcome to HealthyAyurveda.com. I'm Dr. Mike Dhaliwal, Vedic Sage. Today we'll talk about the health benefits of pomegranates. Pomegranates are known as dadima in Sanskrit. Pomegranate is also known to be hita, or that which is beneficial as it helps to balance and normalize dosha. According to Āyurveda, pomegranates are Laghu, or that which is light and easy to digest. Pomegranates have an unctuous or oily quality. Generally speaking, pomegranates are sweet, sour, and astringent to taste. That being so, pomegranates balance vāta, pitta, and kapha dosha. However, Āyurveda explains that there are three main types of pomegranates. Pomegranates which are sweet. These sweet pomegranates tend to pacify all three doshas most effectively. Sweet pomegranates are indicated when one has a fever. Sweet pomegranates are good for the heart, helps to improve intelligence, and sweet pomegranates are considered a natural aphrodisiac as it helps to improve the quality of semen. Pomegranates which are sweet and sour tend to slightly increase pitta dosha, and pomegranates which are predominantly sour tends to increase pitta dosha the most, and therefore sour pomegranates are most useful in conditions to help balance both vāta and kapha conditions. With regards to vidya, pomegranates are anushna, or that which is neutral, being neither very heating or cooling. However, with increasing sourness, pomegranates tend to become more heating. With regards to vipaka, which is the quality the pomegranate has once it's completely digested, and is either sweet for the sweet pomegranates or sour for the more predominantly sour tasting pomegranates. And finally, some medicinal actions of pomegranates are: pomegranates help with digestion. Pomegranates help with treating or managing diarrhea. Pomegranates help to alleviate burning sensation. Due to its astringency, pomegranates help with certain bleeding conditions. Pomegranates provide a sense of satisfaction and are considered good for the heart. Pomegranates are considered midya, which is that which helps to improve intelligence. And finally, pomegranates improve the quality of semen. Okay guys, these are just some of the medicinal qualities of pomegranates from an Ayurvedic perspective. Hope you've enjoyed, and until next time, be well.